Alright, so picked up these Illuminated door sills recently also. Here's the part number. The pieces inside the kit. It's meant for IS350 or whatever IS. No big deal. Should fit the IS500. No problem, my friend actually had it installed in her car already. So the instructions look a little bit different than when I did my 2014 IS350. Glance through it really quick. Last time I believe I hooked that wire, tapped the wire there. Flipping through it. This is different. Well, this is for the back. The back, I don't have this panel at all. I don't have that either. Alright, so here it goes. Here's the page. So they want you to tap 2 wires onto the. This is the light underneath the dashboard. You just want you to tap into it. So both wires go to each of these. Here's one of the illuminated torsos. The 2 bare wires. Some kind of module, I guess. Well, it's a lot cleaner than the last setup, I guess. Does it like. So, actually, no, it's still wire all the way through. These are not like the other ones I had. Probably LED in here instead of like a module, and it shines it all the way through like a optical cord. The plan is to take this and replace it with this one. Wiring can get hooked up to down here. I'm gonna take this panel off and I'll show you what I mean in a bit. This is the connector where all those wires can be tapped. That's how the plug looks. That's how the socket side looks. You know what? I have this connector. I want to show you. So my plan is I'm going to make a plug and play T-harness. Plugs into here and here, and not have to splice any wiring in the car. I'm going to show you how I do it. And you guys can replicate it as well if you really wanted to. So another look at this. This is Fsport in dark color. That's the only thing. This one's like bright white. So here are those same connectors. Got some terminals, got some wiring as well. Gonna do my T-harness right there, and it'll be plug and play. Lexus should have did this from the factory. Oh well, I am gonna do it and show you how I do it, so you can copy me if you want. Alright, got the terminals crimped on both sides. I didn't have blue wire, only had black, so I used black to blue, red to red. Terminals crimped on this side as well as this side. I'm gonna go to the car and make sure I'm sticking it into the connector in the proper location. And then heat shrink it right here too, keep it clean. And then I'll show you the final product, and then I'll replicate it on the opposite side, the right side. This is the left one. Alright, here is the final outcome. I would say this is better than OEM even, or improved OEM. Aftermarket, I mean, what's it called? Dealer option, an optional accessory. Instead of using a T-tabs, you can make it plug and play. Package from I don't know if it's considered factory or whatever, dealer option accessories. You get T-tabs. I don't think that's a good idea. This is what's going to happen now. Ones are pretty simple to remove. I just use my hands and fingernails. Just pop right out. if anybody wants these, they may be different for the IS500. Maybe because it's darker. Let me know. I might sell it or I might hold on to it. Actually, maybe I'm not gonna sell it. And the Fsport ones should clip right into place. Actually, also this piece just comes right down. Goes the connector. This is better. So here's my harness, plug and play. It's gonna go here, clicks right in. Red and blue matches. Let's see, this way. Boom. Slide it up. Plug and play. So the kit comes with these two pieces for the back. I didn't end up installing them because they're just double-sided tape. Maybe I will eventually do it. So on my older 2014 IS, there used to be a piece here with holes, and it just actually gets replaced. This car doesn't have the hole, so it's only double-sided taped in place. So I decided not to do it yet, just in case I don't want to run it. But yeah, that's how it would go, just double-sided tape. I'm gonna hold off installing it for now. Here's a look at the door sills. Right now it's currently lit up. Hard to tell because it's bright right now. Just block the light. So the light comes on with the light under there. Comes on and off.